Luscombe Suzuki Leeds are pleased to offer to the market this fantastic Swift Attitude. Just come in part exchange against a new model. Give you a guided tour around the vehicle. Finished in cosmic black metallic. Really nice condition. Being the Attitude model, you do get the side skirts and the rear upper spoiler, as well as rear privacy glass. Diamond cut alloy wheels as well. And the front bumper enhancement as well. I'll show you inside the car. Been very well looked after. Only done 13,000 miles from new. It comes with Bluetooth as well as air conditioning and DAB radio. We've got air conditioning down there as well as USB port, which will connect to your mobile devices and charge them whilst on the move. All our cars come fully serviced and prepared with 12 months MOT as well as warranty. If you'd like any further information, please do give us a call.